What I have here, I have bell pepper, and I have, why do they call it green squash? But I don't think it's green squash. This one here, how do you call it? So she loves this sometimes. She used to. Lately she's been acting up. So I'm going to wash it using vinegar. What I teach my daughter, like in the kitchen, you can be messy, but as long as you clean up. This is vinegar. And baking soda. So I'm adding more water. You can see. I like washing my things in vinegar. Baking soda for some reasons. So after I'll dry them up. So here and go ahead and cut them. Half of it each. This is green paper here, and the bell peppers mixed together. As you can see, look at the color. Now I'm going to add carrots. These are all organic things. The carrot is organic. I don't mind spending money on my baby. Yeah, maybe when she grows up she'll decide whether she eats organic or not. But as for now, I'm not going to mess up her system. If I have the opportunity as a mother to help her, I will. So these are carrots. She loves carrots by the way. So much. So now I'm going to start cooking it, but I'll put also some spinach, and then I have a little bit of onion, red onion, and a little bit of this. Yeah, and then I need to add so I'll get a big okay. A little bit. No, I didn't mean to put oil. But since it's avocado oil, I'll take it. But normally, I will have to use butter, like this organic butter. This is what I will have to use. I forgot I put oil, which I don't normally do, but it's organic and avocado oil, which is very good anyway. I'm going to let it boil that much. Put the onions. Just for flavor. Yeah, posted now, almost 15 months, so to need this. Earlier I wasn't doing all this, so we put plain and then ghee from my country. Yeah. And at the same time put everything together, boil with the tomatoes. See the color. What I love about this is color and vegetables. Give your baby color, but in some vegetables, not color. For the colors you don't know. So I'll put a little bit of salt. A little bit. Doesn't need too much salt. She's a baby. And I'll cover it up. Give a few minutes to boil. Okay, they're almost ready, so I'm going to add a little bit of butter. See, this is organic broiled butter. I already put some oil, and then I'm going to add a little bit of spinach. Someone here didn't want to eat vegetable, but when she started seeing spinach, she's a friend now. The big girl, but this is for the little girl. Okay, so it's almost ready. This is how I add it on her menu. So if you want to feed your baby vegetables, please be creative and make them colorful on her plate or his plate. Yeah, not everything that you provide they'll eat, but try. So I'm going to cover it for the last time. Let me see. The African hope adding looking at salt a little bit. But this is a baby, you don't want too much salt. Yeah, that's good. So let me